Welcome to Igboticnono. In today's lesson, festivals in Igbo land. First of all, a brief introduction to Igbo culture for you to really understand what I'm trying to say. Igbo is a language spoken in southern eastern part of Nigeria. The Igbos have a population of over 50 million people. They are predominantly farmers, fishermen, hunters, carpenters, but the modern day Igbo man is versatile in all sectors of life. They have yearly festival ranging from Iwaji Festival or Fala Festival. But I will be mentioning a few here. If you need more of it, you can tell me and I'll bring it up to you. There are numerous delicacies from southern eastern part of Nigeria that makes every visitor of foreigners live the culture, love the culture, and due to the influx of English in our generation, we tend to forget most words from our native tongue. Every tribe is guilty of this though. Today, I'll be bringing to you some festivals in Igbo land, and number one is Ofala Festival. Ofala Festival is an annual ceremony practiced mostly by the Igbos of Anambra State, especially Onitsha, Nnewi, Aguleri, and Ugbo. Ofala Festival in Igbo land is usually celebrated towards the end of every conventional year as an event that marks the end of the 13th month. If you want to see 13th month, you can watch my video, calendar month, and you understand what it means. Two is the Iwaji Festival, which the English call the New Yam Festival. The New Yam Festival of the Igbo people is also known as Iwaji or Iri Ji-Oho or Ikeji. Is an annual cultural festival by the Igbo people held at the end of the rainy season in early August. The celebration is a very culturally based occasion, tying individual Igbo community together as essential and independent and dependent on yam. Number 3 here is Nnewi Afiolu Festival. Nnewi Afiolu Festival is a traditional festival held annually in Nnewi around August. Afiolu Festival commences on Eke Day. The festival includes varieties of entertainment, including performance of ceremonial rites, Igwe Day, cultural dance, and masquerade dance. Also some display. Very interesting, right? Another one here is Imo Oka. Imo Oka Festival is one of the top cultural festivals in Anambra and Nigeria. The Imo Oka Festival is usually celebrated between May and June every year in Oka, the capital city of Anambra State. And we have the Odo Festival. Odo is a term used to describe returning of the dead who spend up to 6 months with the living during festival. Surprising, right? The Odo appears as a male and female masked figures played by men who are members of the Death Cult Society. Very serious. It's usually celebrated amongst the Nsukka and Udi people. Very serious. I trust Nsukka people. Very, 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 you understand. So the ceremony, I heard women don't even come outside. I don't even know. But it is what it is, okay? The Igwanshe Festival is celebrated in Eke, the local government of Enugu State. It is a celebration that reminds heroes of the past, victories against neighboring towns. During the festival, villages that make up the town always converge at the village square with their drums to entertain the guests. The events last for 8 days. Waka Festival. Waka Festival is a cultural heritage of the people of Okigwe Senatorial District of Imo State and Enugu West Senatorial District of Enugu State, mainly celebrated by the people of Ugbo in Enugu State. Okay, this is one of the beautiful cultures that has refused to die, despite the claims of Christianity, which has wiped other beautiful cultures. It is what it is, okay? The Iguaro Festival. Iguara Festival is an annual festival celebrated in Enugu to flag off the annual planting season. Aro Festival is also called Igu Aro. It is one of the most colorful and celebrated festivals in Igbo land, especially in Umuneri. The festival has a prime of position in the life of the people due to the economical importance attached to it. It is what it is. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Of course, share this video as well and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.